I'm on Pioneer Road in Red Wing. And this is Pepin Woods, the mobile home community. You can see the sign as we pull in. This is actually Arrow Avenue. Gotta watch these speed bumps. This next crossroad right here is called Waverly Lane. And we're going to take a right here. You know, there's an address to this place, but there's no direction, so I thought I'd show you how to get here. Yeah. This is Edgewood Avenue. Okay, you go straight down this street. Okay, you see this house to the left? It's got all those decorated Christmas trees out here on it. That's where we're going. Now, I know it's still daylight out, but once this place gets lit up, I'm telling you, it's fantastic. This is one of those, it's a house he does this, let me start over. He does this because he likes to contribute to the community. He thinks people like this, so he does it for everybody's enjoyment. But he's part of this contest. He's number 9. And people vote on these. I don't know how many there is here in Red Wing. But I was here last night, and what caught my eye was this train. And he's got a couple. There's one back there. You can see it's not lit up yet. And I wanted to come out here during the day so I could show you this. But check this out. Look at the size of this Christmas tree, will you? Okay. We're going to go up here. Look at this track. Look at this track that he's got that goes all the way around his Christmas tree. And then he's got a contraption here that's set up. And you see the black pipe on the locomotive? He's got that figured out so that smoke blows out of that locomotive at night. And him and his wife do this. They decorate this place every year. And every year they have a little bit different theme and they add something different. But just look at that. Look at that. It's crates. If you look at them, they're real close. They're crates. I mean, it's just a really good idea you came up with. It's so cool. And the fact that he made a track for it to sit on, you know, so it looks like it's a real train. Isn't that cool? I'll show you some more when it gets dark enough. Well, I thought I would drive down. You could come with me. See, you hopped in my truck. We drove down together. That's because when they list the address for this one, it's 2118 Pioneer Road. Well, in the mobile home park, there's a lot of roads, so you got to know exactly where that is or you won't be able to find it. So I thought I would drive down here, put you in the truck with me, and you could see where it's at. So now you can drive down here on your own. Okay, so when you get here, you can actually turn your radio to 88.1 FM, and you can listen to the video. Is that pretty cool or what? But you know, I'd take this from my truck and I would turn on the radio, but I can't do that with YouTube because I tried this a couple other times and I get caught for copyright issues for the music then. So you just have to drive over here and listen to it for yourself. Hey, I thought that goes along with Christmas, eh? Yeah. If I find another one with some trains, I'll show you. Yeah, I just thought that was pretty cool. I mean, talk about creativity, you know? Put a lot of work into that. I'll catch you on my next one. God bless you all.